When it comes to rods, everyone has their favorite rod. And to me, it's really nice to know when to have your most sensitive rod in your lineup. And my favorite rod is a Fenwick World Class. When it comes to pitching jigs, to me, you want to have the best rod you have in your lineup. And to me, the World Class is that. And especially I have a 7'2", medium action is my favorite. And that 7'2" length is very important when you're pitching lightweight jigs. It helps you cast further. This World Class rod has Fuji guides, which are very smooth, which is also very important when you're casting lightweight jigs to cast further. And lightweight is very important when it comes to sensitivity, because the lighter the rod is, the more that movement of the line is going to be amplified throughout the rod. And so this World Class rod to me has been my favorite for over 5 years, because pitching jigs is one of the techniques that took me a long time to master. A lot of times you're dealing with wind and a lot of bow in your line, and it can be very tough to detect when you hit bottom and obviously even bites. And so having a no stretch line and a very sensitive rod is going to put the odds in your favor a lot more.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest tips and techniques to help you get the next bite.